Christianity is not about you. Now the cross was about you. In fact, it was for you. As the song said, it was my sin that nailed him there. John wrote in chapter 3 verse 16, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish but have everlasting life." Okay, so yes, God does love you. But Christianity is not about you. It's not about how good you are in choir, how well you serve in your ministry, how many verses you memorized, how well you dress up, how many people you shared the gospel with, how well you serve Christ. Don't get me wrong, those are good things, but your focus shouldn't be on you. It should be on Christ. Revelations chapter 4 verse 11 says, "Thou art worthy, O Lord, to receive glory and honor and power, for thou hast created all things, and for thy pleasure they are and were created." You see, Christianity is not about you. It's about Christ. So let me ask you a question. Is your life about Christ?